Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Timbo. I'm back with another video. And right now, I'm at the Minnesota Card Show. These next few days, I'm going to be doing a bunch of different challenges and games and having a bunch of fun. One of the largest card shows in the Midwest with over 500 vendors. And today's challenge, I know it sounds crazy, I'm going to trade my sealed collection for singles. Now, as an investor, everybody knows sealed goes up in value, but I have a bunch of random sealed products that I just really want to move. So I'm going to see if I can go to these different vendors and trade them for singles because I do want to grow my collection. And I feel like that would be cool. I have like a 151 ETB. I have some Lorcana Trolls from chapter 2 through 5. I have some Shasta, the Disney 100, as well as like the Pixar one. And I have some Pokemon tins and slabs and just a bunch of things that I rather just want singles and raws. So I'm gonna try to trade those and see how we do. It's just gonna be a fun game. Literally, I could do this and no one would want my sealed, which I highly doubt just because the 151 ETB and the 100 Westchester of Disney by itself would probably trade, but they're singles. So we're gonna bargain, we're gonna see what we can get, and we're just gonna have some fun today. So let's get it. All right, you guys, I'm interested in that Gecko Moria 10 and the Kaido. I actually don't care about One Piece, know about it, but I know Rain does. And then, what about the Sanji? Do you know how much the Sanji is?
No, I think I have two actually.
You have two? What are they? They're the. What is, oh my goodness, you have so much behind.
Yeah. I went on a tear. Well, if it changes.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Can you look up the Sanjis? Actually, if you look up all these, I'm down. If we want to work some, so I didn't know you had all these in the back. The SEC, Zora. Oh my goodness, there's so many. SEC, Zora, Sanjis, T-Law, Altart. Those ones are going to be nicer. They're Altarts, and that is also. Oh, the Altart leader, yeah. Whatever you want to come up with, I do have my whole bucket of stuff, whatever you want to come up with. So I would skip him for sure. I would skip Law. I'll be interested in these ones. I'll be interested in the Sanji, the Zora, and then the Altart leader.
I'd be at 60 trade value.
And then I still want those 10s.
Okay.
And so those 10s are, what are they, 20 each?
Yep.
So that's 100?
Yep, $100 trade value.
100 trade. Would that be cool? This is about 40. This is about 65, 70.
That's fine.
If you want to trade that.
Yeah, then I'll rip it with my daughter.
Oh, man, that's fun time. Fun time with the kiddos. All right.
A Gwen rip. So, are you sure you don't want any Digimon?
Bro, come on, bro. Don't.
Dude, look at this Greymon.
Bro,
here.
I'm not trying to see that Greymon. Put the Greymon down, bro.
Greymon.
I'm not. All right, bro. We'll look at the Greymon.
It's pretty sick, right?
I do want to watch the movie. I heard the movie goes crazy. I have to admit, I do want to watch the movie. I'm not going to lie.
Well, the Altar and the Secret Art in 5 packs.
And you know nothing about it.
The only 5 packs I've ever ripped of Digimon.
You know nothing about it. Just like you know nothing about One Piece.
About it.
All right, you guys, we're going to do a trade. We got the Sanji Ra, the Altart. We got Zoro. We got the Altart leader. We got the Kaido in a 10, and then the Gecko Moria in a 10. And we're going to be trading a Pixar and a Disney 100 to the one and only, my buddy, my pal, the one who changed my brakes because I didn't know how, Daniel. All right, you guys, we're on to our next table, and we have a huge lot of single Lorcanas from Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, a bunch of holos, bunch of legendaries, just like the whole shindig. And we're going to trade for some Lorcana sealed. I just love Chapter 1. There's just so many bangers in Chapter 1. I don't know. I feel like Chapter 1's like base set. We don't know how Lorcana's market's going to be. I'm slowly giving up on it. That's why I'm selling my sealed. But I know a lot of people play the game, and a lot of these are playable. So we just have like a huge box of a bunch of them. And we were looking up at the prices for a little bit, and then we both got tired of it. But these are all cold foils from English 1 and 2. So I think we're going to just think of something, honestly, because looking it up takes way too long. But I do want to give a nice deal because we always do deals and he always shows love. Say hi. All right. So I feel like this is Chapter 3 into the Inkland. It's a collector set. I feel like the collector sets, they do well. Actually, I feel like one of each. So this is the first one that it's in a Lumineers Queer.
Okay.
And so it's like a 2-player co-op journey, while this one gives you more promos and jumbos with the packs.
Okay.
So this one comes with packs. This is a 2-player journey. And so that's from number 3, and then that one's from number 4. And then I know you said you like the older one, Rise of the Floodborn. So I know market for this one's like 65. This one I believe is like 30 to 40. That's 30 to 40.
I mean, that seems like.
And so, yeah, I know a lot of these are whatever they are, but I think that would be good. Like this whole box, we have Lumineers, the collectors, and yeah, you want the older stuff, and then I feel like it's a little mixture. I'm gonna be here Sunday too, and the rest of the day. So if these go, I mean, yeah,
I mean, like I said, I was cool with whatever. I don't want to deal with it anymore.
that's fair.
I'd rather sell boxes than the singles. I hope you find something sick in there.
I appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
Nice. What a deal. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to go home and actually look through all of these. There's so much. Thank you, man. All right, you guys. We're working on a huge trade. We have the Lumineers Quest, the Inkland. Then we have 3 Rise of the Floodborn, 3 Inklands, Shimmering, and then after we have the Mew in a 10, as well as the Zardy in a 10, the Venusaur single, the Master Ball, Duo. I heard that they were super close to their master set, like 30 away. And then the Mew, and PSA 10s too. So these are all mine. We're gonna do the value of what it is market, and then do about 80% trade value, I was told. And then we're gonna see what I can get from their single lot. I'm gonna walk over there so we can see. My card's getting empty, so it's actually doing way better than I thought. A lot of singles in their cases, graded, and then here, and then they have a whole bucket back here. And so, yeah. I'll let you guys know once we get those prices and see what the trade is. This is super fun. I'm actually loving this vlog more than I thought I would. I'm not gonna lie, this is really cool. All right, you guys. So, I finally found out what we're gonna do. So you guys remember everything we had in here. If you guys remember, we had the Inklands, we had the Lumineers Trove, we had all those troves. We're trading, these are the slabs. Not these slabs. We're not trading those. We're trading these slabs. Those are not mine. The Venusaur, the Duo, the Mew, the Zard, and we have some more slabs and singles. We're trading all of that we showed you in the beginning, and I'm trading it to receive the Koraidon, the Chansey. I need the other half of the Sawbuck and Gearling, so I needed that. The Secret Pikachu, the Charmander from 151, the Baby Pikachu, Baby Shiny Pikachu from Baldean Fate, Giratina, Arceus, and Palkia. We could not find Dialga. I really wanted to. The Bubble Mew, and Zardy from 151. So we're trading all those for all the Seal Lorcana. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. No, I gotta shake your hand too. You got the Eevee hat. I gotta shake your hand too. Thank you so much, bro. Hey guys, I want to take a moment to talk about my sponsor, Punch Out Gaming. Punch Out Gaming is a local shop out here in Minnesota, and their selection is insane. They have so much for the TCG. They have Pokemon, they got One Piece, they got Lorcana, Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon specifically, they got collectibles, books, memorabilia, and so much more. They also have sports cards for all you sports collectors out there, and they have an insane selection of vintage and modern game consoles, systems, and games. So check it out. I go there like once a week and cop some. The link is in the description, so go show them some love. And we're gonna get straight to the video. All right, you guys, I ran into the legend, Dan, and we're gonna do a deal. I'm trading my beauty, my 151 ETB with the case, the little Target cereal case, and we're trading it for the Psychic Energy with the Swirl, the Zapdos, the Venusaur EX, the Arbok, the Charizard, the Blastoise, and I got the last one to my Gold Series, a Gold Dialga V-Star, and we're going to trade that over for that. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much. Let's go. All right, you guys, we just did a trade. I got the Pikachu and trade over the Lapras to the one and only Kevin Lapras cards. Make sure you check out Kevin Lapras cards because they took the Lapras and love Lapras, and I took the Pikachu, so I love Pikachu. So I appreciate the deal. Let's go. Another one to the collection. All right, you guys, this is a little different, but I got the little Bulbasaur sweater. Minnie's a big fan. I obviously tried to trade for it, but ended up paying for it. She's a big fan, so hey, got her a small. She'll be surprised. Threw it in there for some B-roll, but I did cop this, so Yeah. All right, you guys. We are doing a beautiful trade. We're trading away 2 of the Maridon tins and 2 of the Coridon tins. This usually has 5 packs. This beauty right here has 4 packs for a basic energy with like 4 or 5 swirls, which is crazy. Zardy Boy, a nice silver one from Obsidian Flames, and then 2 gold from Obsidian Flames. Beautiful trade with the legend.
Pulling fire with JT, baby.
Pulling fire with JT.
Let's
Let's go.
Come find me at the show, guys.
Hey, check out the Whatnot. Pulling
out
fire
the
with
Whatnot.
JT. Check out the Whatnot. I follow and I'm in there all the time. Show some love.
Oh, man.
1 of 1. You see it right there.
There you
Pulling
go.
fire with JT 1 of
Find
1.
yourself some pokies.
Yes,
Come get some pokies with the
sirski.
man.
Get the pokies with the legend.
go.
Yeah. All right, you guys, we're doing another trade. I'm trading a Maridon and Coridon 10 to get the Wuchen Altart from Paldean Evolved. The Zoroark break. I've been wanting to collect the breaks for a while, so Zoroark I've not seen at all at this card, so that's pretty dope. And a Dratini. Gotta love Dratini. If you guys remember Gen 1, you used to gamble for Dratini. Literally sit on slots all day gambling for Dratini, so I appreciate it. Thank you for the trade.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Have a
Let's
good
go. I love this thing.
Awesome.
All right, you guys, we just did another trade. Oh my goodness. Giving up the Mega Zardy in a 9 for a Carbink break. I love breaks. I feel like they're very slept on. Nido King break. Hold on, we got to get the break order. The Trevi break has to be, yeah. The Bronzor. I feel like breaks people just didn't like. The Chestnut and the Starmie break with the Tinglu, Skeledirge, and Curlia. I love these things, the breaks a lot. I've been trying to hunt them all. There's not too many. A lot of people didn't rock with it. Trading away for the Zardy.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's go. All right, you guys. This is the last one, but check this out. No more. We went through the whole freaking everything. We went through the whole cart. We just have what we got now. The very last deal. I am going to pick up the beautiful Iono. Oh my goodness. From Paldean Evolve. And we're trading away the one and only 2 Maridons, a Coridon,
Last of everything.
and the Disney 100. The last of them. I appreciate you.
Appreciate it,
Thank
bro.
you so much.
Nice meeting you,
Let's
and
go.
Have fun with it.
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it.
Challenge complete. Nice. All right, you guys. I am so exhausted. This is the full breakdown of today. You guys seen how big the cart was. You know we had. This is the ending. We sold everything. This is the outro. I'm going to skim through this as quick as I can. Got a whole lot of Lorcana, right? A whole lot. I'm not going to go through this. And there's more. Literally a whole lot of Lorcana. Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Hollows, legendaries. There's no enchanters that I know of. It's a big lot. I need to go through it all. Some fell, but it's okay. I'm just going to put that right there. There we go. Next, we got some One Piece. Minnie loves One Piece. So we got the Zora, nice, the Sanji, the Leader Altar, 2 10s, some light, nothing crazy, 2 PSA 10s. And then after, my bread and butter Pokemon. Let's go through this. The Zardy from 151, the Blasty 151. 4 swirls. No, this is the one with 2 swirls. The Zapdos, the Venusaur, the Arbok. This is the 4 swirl. Oh my goodness, this is wild. 4 swirl dart. The Dratini, Curlia. Some of these I just been wanting to collect, and some of these I've just really like need to finish in my collection. The break cards, super cheap. They're like $1 or $2. I think they're cool. Like the gold with the pattern, super dope. The Sawbuck. I need the other side for my Deerling. Chansey, I just wanted this card. It's so cute. The Pikachu promo with the secret Pikachu, and don't forget the baby shiny Pikachu. I have like 15 of these. I sold some, but honestly, I want a binder full. I watch a lot of Pokebeard's videos, and he has binder fulls of stuff. And now let's get to the meaty things. The Tinglu Altart, Skeledirge, Wuchen Altart, the Coridon Altart, Zardy V-Star, Zardy V, Zardy EX Silver, Gold, 2 to be exact, the Char from 151, the Iono Altart from Paldean Evolved, the Bubble Mew, let's go. Literally the Gold Palkia, Gold Arceus, Gold Giratina, and Gold Dialga, the whole Gold family with a Zardy Boy from 151 to end it off. That is a crazy, crazy day. Let me know in the comments below how I did today, if I won, if I lost. I know when you are a buyer, negotiating is a huge thing, but you realize that you are 70-80% trade value. And I was doing a crazy video, so I wanted to make content, I wanted to have fun. And honestly, I think I did good. I feel like these are gonna go up higher than Lurkana. We just don't know Lurkana because it's only been 1 year and they made 5 sets, so we don't know where the market is. But to get a bunch of Chapter 1 Raws, I like that a lot because I do still have my Chapter 1s in my storage unit. So to have some Raws that are hollow, or what they say, cold foil, Chapter 1, just like literally like base set. You never know which one of these is gonna go up. So I really like the trade for those. What is it? Nice. I don't know, I just caught my eye. And so we never know how that's gonna go. I didn't want to risk it anymore. I was in the market for a while for Lurkana. I've been collecting for a while. I want to trade, so to get a bunch of freaking Lurkana, One Piece, all these Pokemon cards on the table, I'm content. If you're new to the channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know how I did today. I think I did amazing, but that's just a personal thing. I didn't think I would get this much for Lurkana. To be honest, I didn't even think I would beat this challenge and have an empty cart. Like the only thing left in the cart is literally this 9, which is Minnie's, not mine. And then I bought her a shirt. And I got the One Piece 4 Mini. So just me being nice and buying her stuff, the boyfriend I am. But hey, like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe. I appreciate all the vendors who participated in this challenge. I know I gave them some deals, and some didn't want some things, some did. But a lot of you guys followed me and subscribed, and you're probably watching this right now. So I appreciate you guys for being amazing and just doing the challenge with me, just having fun spirit and just loving the game. Like a lot of times, especially with card shows and stuff, it's all about money, money, money. But to have fun and feel like a kid again, just collect is it's the world. I feel like a little kid trading. I'm gonna go home and look at all these. Can't wait to show Minnie. Well, that's it, guys. Peace. Until next time.